looking at this can, you know, it's definitely has a nice kind of green look to it. Relube, reuse, reduce. Looking over the side, our formula is, it's plant-based. It's got no PTFEs in it. It's non-petroleum. This thing doesn't even have petroleum in it, and I can smell it. It doesn't smell like an actual, like the WD-40 or something like that. This is great for sporting gear, home repairs, small electronics, parts and machineries, motorboats. It lubricates moving parts as gears, wheels, hinges, restores stuck parts, working orders, and it also protects corrosion against corrosion, and it displaces moisture. So how about that? It's kind of like WD-40. It does a water displacement. Let me go ahead and put this to the use and try it out. You know, shake can. Okay, we're going to shake it up there. Check out that nozzle they have. I'm not going to run that. They have this little piece right here that locks it. And then let's check this out. Wow, it shoots out like bug spray. There's a squeaky hinge right here. So let's soak this hinge down. You see how it does? It's almost like a foam. So there we go. Now let's see, are we still squeaking? Well, already, I don't hear anything. Well, there you go. It seemed to work on that door hinge. So this is something I think anyone could use for, like, maybe putting on a bicycle or motorcycle or any type of little small parts, whether it's some tools where you want to clean your tools up and when not in use, you just put that back on there. I think this is a great alternative to any of the more chemical-based lubricants out there. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the Gear Hugger Eco plant-based multi-purpose lubricant. See you all in the next video.